If you need to attend a lot of meetings, I'm sure you have this problem. You got a meeting request, you want to attend it, but for some reason you can't. There's a more important overlapping meeting or whatever the reason is. Now, what choice do we have? Decline. Now, if you decline the meeting, you're not a part of the meeting. That means everything which is going to happen in that meeting, meeting notes, recordings, transcript, recap, none of it you will have access. But you're interested in knowing what happened in the meeting. So you're stuck. Fortunately, now there is a solution. There's a new response option called follow. Accept, decline, tentative. Those options have been there for decades. Don't go looking for that option immediately. You may not find it. It's currently there in the new Outlook and browser version of Outlook. First thing is, when you follow a meeting, it doesn't occupy any space in your calendar. Your calendar slot is now going to be shown as free. So no more overlapping meeting because of this one. Now, what will the organizer see? On browser or new Outlook, organizer will see that you're following the meeting. Otherwise, it will be shown as tentative. Now, during the meeting, as soon as the meeting starts, it will show a reminder. So that way, the organizer and participants know that they have to start recording, transcript, and also take shared notes. It's not only for the person who is following, it's a good practice for any meeting anyway. Now, because you are technically a part of the meeting, everything which happens in the meeting, before, during, after, you can still be a part of it. So after the meeting, when I go and look at my calendar, the meeting is still visible, but for others, my time is not blocked. When I double click on the meeting, of course, I'll see all the meeting details. But wait, just scroll down and see what happened. It gives me a nice meeting summary. It has given me a method to view the recap. It says how many speakers, how many files were shared. If I click on it, it will show me the attachments. Right now it's transcript, a whiteboard, and an Excel file. And then I have the agenda, meeting notes, follow-up tasks. Have a look at this video where I cover Teams meetings best practices as well. When I click on the recap button, let's see what happens. And because I have access to Copilot, it is showing me the proper meeting recap, where there are AI notes, mentions, transcript, and summary of the meeting details. If I go to the meeting chat, I can continue the conversation, even participate in the whiteboarding session, even though the meeting is over. So apart from not attending the meeting itself, I am very much a part of it. And that's the whole idea of this follow feature. The only caveat here is you have to use either the browser version or the new Outlook. I know most people still like the old Outlook, so by all means, continue using the old Outlook. Just for this feature, use the web version or new version. So try it out, let me know your feedback, share it with your team, and give me ideas for more videos. That's it for now. See you next time. Thank you.